back of the spoon. The butter knife, that will be the flat side of the butter knife. The weird thing, that will be this part of the weird thing. Oh, that'll be this part. And we're all going to do a quick practice round. Hold out your other hand. We'll pretend that this is the dry ice. We're going to put it on there. You're going to lift it up. Put it on there. Right, lift it up. Okay, I think we've got it. So, I'm going to bring the dry ice down here in the middle. The rest of us are going to turn on our ears because we are going to be listening to what happens. And we are going to go one person at a time, putting the tools on the dry ice so that everyone can hear each tool at once. All right. Putting on my gloves to protect my hands. Oh, and you guys are also going to be very careful. Do not let your hands touch the dry ice. All right. Everybody else, their ears turned on? Yeah. All right. I'll also pull out my microphone to help us here. All right. Here we go. Let's start with Gracie so we can put it on. Oh, this is pretty funny. All right, go over here, Jonahs. Hear those really funny, rude-sounding noises? Yeah. It doesn't like that. Did you guys feel anything in your hands while it was on there? It buzzed. It vibrated. And if you look at all of our tools, what are all of our tools made out of?
Metal.
Our tools are all made out of metal. Metal is really good at moving around temperature. That's why cooking pots are made out of metal. They can take heat from the stove to the food that we want to heat up. So when these guys put their tools on the dry ice, it was carrying heat from the air around us, because I think we all know that this room is a lot warmer than negative 110 degrees Fahrenheit. It was carrying, these metal tools were carrying heat from the air to the dry ice, warming up that dry ice, making that solid dry ice turn into a gas. That gas was trying to escape, but they were pushing down. But the gas was pushing up, and they were pushing down. And the gas was pushing up, and then up, down, up, down, up, down, made the vibration, which we all heard as noise, and you guys also felt as your tools shaking. So let's try this one more time. This time though, let's do all 4 tools at once to make a really obnoxious rock and roll band. All right. Here we go. Their debut song, Isn't It Obnoxious? The Dry Ice Quattro. Go for it. I think we might be one-hit wonders. All right, so I'll take your tools back. Let's give these 4 guys a big round.